Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make an image wider in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply step 1, go to file, open and then insert any image, click, then insert it. Go to image tab, image size, canvas size, inch, percent, pixels, example is pixels and height, relative, not relative, then click OK. Press Ctrl T, use custom. And step 2, create a new file. Go to file, place and insert it in the image. Hold shift, fix size, white, height, or fix size, hold shift, hold shift alter, then fix size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.